Today I will show you how to run and open jar files in Windows. Just go and open your browser, type Java in Google, and hit enter. Now open the first website. Here click on this Download Java for Desktops button, and again click on this to start the download process. After downloading, open it. Now simply click on Install, and it will now install on your Windows. Close this window, now go to the jar file you wanted to run. In my case, I have a Minecraft mod loader. Right-click on it, head to Open with option, and choose Java from the list. If you don't have Java listed here, then just click on this. Scroll down and select Choose an app on your PC. Open the Java folder, then the first folder, Now bin, and here are the executables. Make sure to select this Java executable and just click on the Open button. Now choose Always, and the jar files will always run with Java, and that's it.